Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hey food lovers and cultural explorers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, the ultimate destination for discovering the amazing flavors. Here, we take you on a delicious adventure through diverse countries. Today, we have something truly exciting for you. Food substitutes from every culture. A culinary revolution. As food evolves, so do the ingredients we use. From environmental and dietary needs to health-conscious eating and sustainability. The way people around the world replace ingredients in their favorite dishes is nothing short of revolutionary. We'll be looking at incredible substitutes for meat, dairy, gluten. These substitutions don't just taste amazing, but they also reveal a lot about how food traditions adapt and thrive. So, buckle up for a global journey as we explore how food substitutions are changing the game in kitchens around the world. 1. Jackfruit, the meat substitute of the tropics, India, Thailand, and Indonesia. In many tropical countries across Asia, jackfruit has long been used as a meat substitute. This massive green fruit is rich in fiber and has a meaty, fibrous texture that makes it perfect for mimicking pulled pork, shredded chicken, or beef. In India, jackfruit is known as kathal and is often prepared in curries like kathal kisa, when cooked with spices like turmeric, cumin, and garam masala. In Thailand, pad ped kanoon is a stir-fried jackfruit dish. In Indonesia, gudeg is a traditional slow-cooked jackfruit stew that's both savory and sweet, commonly served with rice and other dishes. What makes jackfruit so revolutionary is not just its ability to replace meat, but also its sustainability. It's a renewable resource that requires far fewer resources to grow than livestock, making it a game-changer in the battle for environmentally friendly food sources. 2. Coconut milk, a dairy-free delight, Thailand, Sri Lanka, and the Caribbean. Coconut milk has been a staple in many tropical cuisines long before it became trendy in plant-based diets. It's rich, creamy, and dairy-free, making it the perfect substitute for cow's milk or cream in both sweet and savory dishes. In Thailand, coconut milk forms the base of many iconic dishes, like green curry, tom kha gai, a coconut chicken soup, and mesaman curry. It adds richness and depth without the need for dairy. In Sri Lanka, coconut milk is used in many of their flavorful curries, making them smooth and velvety. Dishes like Sri Lankan coconut curry often rely on coconut milk instead of heavy cream. In the Caribbean, coconut milk is integral in dishes like rundown, a delicious fish stew, and in baking traditional desserts like coconut bread and coconut cake. Coconut milk doesn't just provide a creamy texture, it also lends a subtle sweetness and nuttiness that enhances flavors, making it a popular choice worldwide. Plus, it's lactose-free, making it a great dairy alternative for those with intolerances. 3. Tofu and tempeh. Protein powerhouses, East Asia, Southeast Asia, and the West. Soy-based products like tofu and tempeh have long been central to plant-based diets in East and Southeast Asia. These ingredients are rich in protein, making them perfect meat substitutes in various dishes. In China and Japan, tofu is often used in savory dishes like mapo tofu, a spicy stir-fried tofu dish, or agedashi tofu, crispy tofu served in a light soy-based broth. Tempeh, which is made from fermented soybeans, is less common but still widely used in Indonesia, where it's deep-fried, grilled, or incorporated into stews. In the West, tofu and tempeh have become go-to vegan and vegetarian substitutes for meat. Tofu can be scrambled like eggs, baked, or to mimic chicken, while tempeh is perfect for creating plant-based burgers or even bacon. Both tofu and tempeh are packed with protein, making them excellent alternatives to meat, especially for people looking to reduce their carbon footprint or follow a plant-based diet. Tofu's versatility and tempeh's nutty flavor have made them global staples. For cauliflower, the low-carb king, Middle East, Europe, and North America. Cauliflower is a superstar when it comes to low-carb food substitutions, and its uses have exploded in global cuisines. In the Middle East, cauliflower is a key ingredient in dishes like cauliflower tabbouleh or cauliflower fatesh, where it replaces bulgur wheat in the salad. In Europe and the United States, cauliflower rice has become a popular substitute for traditional rice and low-carb diets. It's also used in pizza crusts, mashed potatoes, and even cauliflower steaks. In India, cauliflower is frequently used in curries, like aloo, gobi, cauliflower, and potato curry, and its versatility in vegan cooking allows it to replace meats and dairy. Not only is cauliflower a great low-carb substitute, but it's also rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Its mild flavor allows it to blend seamlessly into various dishes, from savory to even dessert. 5. Plantains, the starchy sweet potato alternative, West Africa, Latin America, and the Caribbean. Plantains, often confused with bananas, are a starchier fruit that has been used as a staple carbohydrate in many tropical regions, unlike bananas. Plantains are typically cooked before being eaten, and are often used as a replacement for potatoes in savory dishes. In West Africa, kelewele spicy fried plantains is a popular street food, and fried plantains are a common side dish served with rice and beans. In Latin America, plantains are transformed into dishes like tostones, twice-fried green plantains, and mofongo mashed plantains, served with garlic and broth. In the Caribbean, baked plantains and plantain chips serve as a delicious alternative to French fries. Plantains are rich in fiber and provide a complex carbohydrate that is ideal for energy, making them an excellent substitute for potatoes, rice, or bread. Their versatility makes them a staple in both savory and sweet dishes across the world. 6. Seitan. The wheat meat, China, Japan, and the West. Seitan, also known as wheat meat, is a popular protein substitute made from gluten, the protein found in wheat. It has a chewy texture that closely resembles meat, making it one of the best plant-based meat substitutes around. In China, seitan is used in vegetarian and Buddhist cuisine, where it's cooked to resemble meat in stir-fries, hot pots, and stews. In Japan, it is often served in vegetarian, ramen, or grilled in yakitori-style skewers. In the West, seitan is used to make vegan steaks, sausages, and even chicken nuggets. Seitan is an excellent meat replacement for those looking for a high-protein alternative with a texture similar to meat, especially in dishes that call for grilling or stir-frying. 7. Almond milk. The dairy-free revolution. Global use. Almond milk has become one of the most popular dairy alternatives worldwide, especially in vegan and lactose-intolerant diets. It's made by blending almonds with water and straining the mixture to remove solid parts, leaving a smooth, milk-like liquid. In North America and Europe, almond milk is often used in smoothies, coffee, and baking as a substitute for dairy milk. In India, almond milk is sometimes used in traditional halwas desserts, adding a nutty sweetness. In the Middle East, almond milk is used to create traditional drinks and desserts, like almond milk. Almond milk is low in calories, rich in healthy fats, and a versatile substitute for any recipe that requires milk. It's a staple in vegan cooking and a sustainable alternative to dairy. 8. Chickpea flour, the gluten-free binder, India, Middle East, and Western vegan cuisine. Chickpea flour, also known as besan in India, is a gluten-free alternative that has been used for centuries across the globe. In India, chickpea flour is used to make pakoras, fried fritters, besan chilla savory pancakes, and dhokla steamed cakes. In the Middle East, chickpea flour is used to create falafel and hummus, and it serves as a base for many vegan recipes. In Western cuisine, chickpea flour is a key ingredient in egg-free and gluten-free baking. It's also used to make chickpea-based scrambles as an alternative to scrambled eggs. Chickpea flour is packed with protein, making it a great alternative to wheat flour and eggs in cooking and baking. A culinary revolution awaits. From jackfruit replacing meat in tropical curries, to cauliflower standing in for rice, and seitan becoming the go-to for plant-based meats, food substitutions are transforming the way we eat around the world. These innovations are born from necessity, but they also demonstrate the creativity and adaptability of global cuisine. The culinary revolution is in full swing, and it's all about finding sustainable, healthy, and delicious alternatives to the ingredients we've known and loved for centuries. Whether you're looking for a new vegan dish to try or just want to explore unique regional substitutions, the world of food swaps is waiting for you to discover. So, what food substitute from today's list will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures with us at Global Eats Uncovered.